Sure, the butterfly will come out easily, but it will never fly. Your help has destroyed the butterfly. How to make sure the butterfly cannot fly? How do you get a butterfly? First, there's the egg, which hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats and grows. At the right time, it makes a cocoon out of its own body. While in the cocoon, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. When the butterfly is ready, it starts to break through the cocoon. First, a hole appears. Then the butterfly struggles to come out through the hole. This can take a few hours. If you try to help the butterfly by cutting the cocoon, sure, the butterfly will come out easily, but it will never fly. Your help has destroyed the butterfly. The butterfly can fly because it has to struggle to come out. The pushing forces lots of enzymes from the body to the wingtips. This strengthens the muscles and reduces the body weight. In this way, the butterfly will be able to fly the moment it comes out of the cocoon. Otherwise, it will simply fall to the ground, crawl around with a swollen body and shrunken wings, and soon die. If the butterfly is not left to struggle to come out of the cocoon, it will never fly. Of course, this is merely an analogy, but I think it's an analogy that helps us understand why students need to go through the natural process in order to fly. Otherwise, sure, they can compute. The butterfly will get out of the cocoon. So if the goal is for them to compute, then telling them the procedure is fine. If the goal is to get the butterfly out, then cutting the cocoon is fine. But if the goal is for children to go beyond calculation, to fly, then the cutting clearly will not make them fly. It's an analogy, but it kind of helps us understand why we are doing all this troublesome thing. It was so difficult to do that lesson. And you will see year 7 students really struggle to come to terms with all those things that we talk about. But there's an easy way. Just take a pair of scissors, cut the cocoon. The calculation will be done. The butterfly will get out. But the problem is, that's all that's going to happen. All they can do is compute. All that's happened is the butterfly got out. So I think sometimes mathematics instruction has become unnecessarily complicated when in actuality it's quite straightforward. So in fraction, there are only 2 key concepts. The equivalent fraction, fluently able to rename, and the way to read fraction. And then everything else is from what they learn in whole numbers. Like 2 plus 2 is 4, only if the nouns are the same. So 2 ones plus 2 ones, 2 tens plus 2 tens, 2 apples plus 2 apples. You do not say 2 apples plus 2 boys. Don't make sense. 2 apples and 2 oranges. That's not 4 apples. That's not 4 oranges. You cannot do 2 apples and 2 oranges. Yes, you can, if you can change the name. If you can rename to make them the same. Okay, 2 fruits and 2 fruits. Now business as usual. So that concept is not difficult. And they have been doing it since reception. That's why the reception teachers make them sort before they count. So sorting is something they learn before they come to year 1. Why did they sort things into groups? It's so that they appreciate this belongs to this set. These are toys. This belongs to that set. These are things I eat. And then I count the toys, separate from the things I eat.
If you enjoyed the video, then why not hit the like button? Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you want to check out more videos, then click on the right to dive into another topic. Thanks for watching!